Dude, it's like cheating. After many months of hard work and delays due to the holidays and COVID, we were finally able to do a shakedown run of the Marlin Crawler long travel suspension lift installed on Alex's second-gen Tacoma. We headed out on this overcast morning to the popular Tucson test piece trail, Chiva Falls, and its toughest obstacle known as Three Feathers. From the start, it was clear that Alex's rig was far more capable with this lift installed. The RCLT HD kit allows for up to 40-inch tires, but Alex chose to be a bit more conservative and mounted 37-inch tires instead, to limit the amount of clearancing he would need to do to the body of the truck and to limit any potential rubbing. The Chiva Falls Trail wastes no time in letting you know the level of difficulty that lies ahead. Within a few hundred yards of the cattle guard, a steep and challenging gatekeeper prevents stock SUVs from going any further.
Make you change.
With my relatively little 33-inch tires, I would take just about every bypass available, but even some of these were tough. Three Feathers lies within the first quarter mile. It offers many line choices to test out your suspension and sometimes your armor. To match the extended travel at the front, Alex spent considerable time upgrading the rear suspension as well. Here you can see the massive travel provided by the relocated mounts, longer shackles, and 14-inch shocks. For contrast, here's my rig following the same line. Yeah, not so smooth. Yeah, then cut it, driver. One of the toughest lines at Three Feathers is this V-notch. With a little spotting, Alex makes it look pretty easy. You're on that wall. If you back up a little bit, now you're in it. There it is. Further down the trail lies another obstacle that always seems to require a careful line choice. But this would not be the case for Alex today.
Sick. Oh my God, Alex, that was the easiest that's ever been.
Yeah,
What did you think?
it's very impressive. Very impressed with how it operates. And
Yeah, this kid is badass.
yeah, it is.
Nice, man. Money well spent.
Yep, rough to install, but
Got it now.
At about the halfway mark, the majority of the difficult obstacles are behind you, and the trail becomes a beautiful drive through some stunning Arizona backcountry. Verde Creek is a popular stopping point along the trail. We found the flowing water and the tall sycamores to be the perfect backdrop for some action shots. If you have a capable four-wheel drive vehicle and you're in the area, Chiva Falls is not to be missed. If you have any questions on the Marlin Crawler RCLT HD kit or the install process, feel free to reach out in the comments section below and follow Alex on Instagram for more details from his build. And as always, thanks for watching. Looks like someone found a little hiding spot. So Alex just said one of the huge benefits of the new lift kit is that you can park as flamboyantly as you like. I tend to agree with him.
Toot toot. Oh, my kidneys. Oh, my spleen, my kidneys.
Oh, don't worry, Pete. We still love you, buddy.
Like butter.